What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. FNAF today, the Blob. This is the creepiest thing I've ever seen. So I'm focusing on the Freddy part. So landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. FNAF is weird. Anyway, center point of my page is here, come up over to the right. With that round black circle. Curves around here, right? Not perfectly round. But there. Right. Then he's got that glowing red pupil inside there. So his cheek sort of like cuts across the bottom here. Right. And then you've got like these lines coming around the inside as well. There's all these metal parts and like broken and cracked sort of sections all here. And then his nose, typical, well, it's like a black button kind of a thing. Just there. And everything's kind of tarnished and rough and everything. So the rest of his mouth kind of curves down this way, and then he's got a cheek sticking out here, and then the lips sort of bump and wrinkle across like so, right? Big cheek out here, and he seems to have like a pink little circle there. It's quite dark in here, right? So I'm thicken up this line. And of course, this is like real scaly and textured and dirty and everything. Right? So it's not like clean, sort of like the glam rock version. It's very messed up. So his other eye is just along in here, right? So it's this other black circle that way, and then again he's got these red glowing pupils, so one in there, and then his eye socket kind of curves around this way, and it's kind of like all broken and stuff in there. You've got like eyelids and everything, mechanical details in there. So his head goes up and around, right? And it's got this black line sort of running up the inside. That kind of a thing. Right, and the other side of his head, one goes that way, and the other goes down this way. This one will kind of go behind his ear, sort of down here. And his eyebrows kind of like square. Now remember, hit pause if I go too fast. Use that pause button. Slow things down. Okay. And again, like dirt and scratches and all this kind of gnarly stuff. So he's got like an ear socket, like a hole, like a little oval, like a skinny circle there, with the connector for his ears there. And then we have a sort of a rough, kind of bumpy ear going around there. And then a bit of a pink circle sort of inside, like an edge line to that. And then the side of his head goes down that way. His other ear then, just over this side, not as broken, not perfect either, but just not as crazy cracked as the other side. then his top hat. Starting like that. Kind of another line along the bottom here. And then the sort of square top to it. Again, this is got cracks and dirty and all that kind of stuff. Maybe like a little shadow in here. Okay, so bottom jaw is like real wide, right? Curves down this way. It's kind of bumpy there, and then the other side curves around and goes in behind his teeth, right? So this like just is all sort of wrinkly and stuff going up around here. This side as well, that way. And then we got a layer of teeth in here, just square. There. There's a layer down here, the square ones. Can we see a gum line there? Yes. So you can see like the bottom of the teeth and the gap there. Just those ones in the middle. Right, and he seems to have like a bit of a plate or something like here, like an animatronic kind of metal plate. So he's got a tongue, right? But it's kind of like square. It's hard to make out what his tongue is. Can't really see it. So we'll go. It seems to have like a square edge just there. And then there's like these, like they look like Lego bricks here. Could be wrong though. And then this side as well. So that's kind of his tongue, right? So it's kind of like mechanical looking. And then he has another plate that comes out from behind this. So we can just see like this oval shape coming out from here. And then he has another layer of square, smaller teeth underneath his tongue. Just going around there. Alright, and then like the back of his mouth, kind of there. Okay, and then like textures and stuff and all that. Okay, so that's Freddy's head, right? Now then, tubes and pipes and crazy gnarly stuff. So we'll do the big pipes that seem to come out this way first. Like one on his neck that way, and then the overall shape for this blob-like body, right? So say like that's the front of it, and then these pipes will have sort of lines that come across like this, just curving around the pipe shapes. Right, so that's what we got so far. And then we'll do more pipe lines on this. you want to like curve them to make it look like a round thing, right? And there's a neckline that goes like that way. And this is all wrinkly and stuff. But we'll add those textures now once we get these pipes in. Now, coming down from the ear is the back of the neck. And this is just a big blob shape, hence the name Blob. Just going that way. And there's like a bit up here as well, behind his hat. Okay, so roughly then, there's like all these wrinkles and textures going down the body. Of this thing, right, all flowing that way. You might have another pipe sort of here actually coming out from this sort of black oozing stuff. So like a little sort of blobby lines, like just to make it look like there's like holes in it and stuff. Right, and like textures and wrinkles and loads of so loads of like texture and stuff then on all this. And then all under here as well, there's loads. You're just kind of making it look wavy, sort of. It's the best way to describe it, I guess. And it's just colored like real dark black. Okay, so you could like texture this up way more if you wanted. You could add more tubes, everything. But I think that'll do me kind of. I think it's enough. And then there's like a little pipe that just comes out the front. So I just want to add that like this, like cables, right? So we'll put it sort of here. Right, and then the bottom of it. There. And then this has like pipes and stuff. So this is like all pipe. Each of these is like a pipe or a cable. How do you do? Nice. Alright, that's it. Freddy the Blob. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.